Brands that can properly harness social media have the benefit of always being a part of the dialogue that is taking place online. They not only have a direct line of communication with customers, but they also have the potential to establish themselves as authorities in their field by publishing information that is both helpful and educational. Nevertheless, building a successful plan for social media is far easier said than done. It is not sufficient for companies to employ the pay-and-spray strategy, in which they purchase several advertisements and then cross their fingers that those advertisements are seen by the appropriate consumers. Time and effort are required to develop profitable social media campaigns. Marketers have a responsibility to collect sufficient data to guarantee that they are engaging the appropriate audience and allocating money to the channels that generate the maximum return on investment. What exactly is meant by marketing via social media? The goal of social media marketing is to raise awareness of a brand, generate sales, increase website traffic, or advertise a product or service to a specific audience. This can be accomplished by using one or more social media platforms. The use of social media marketing by businesses is an effective method through which they may convey the story of their brand, interact with their fans, and educate them about new products or trends in their industry. This sort of word-of-mouth marketing also enables brands to provide customers the ability to upload user-generated content, UGC, such as online comments and product reviews, which engages audiences significantly more effectively than ad copy that was written by the company itself. Every social media site you use can contribute to the success of your brand in a variety of different ways. Conduct some research to understand which platforms your target audience uses before deciding on one. After that, you can choose the ones that have the tools that are the best fit for the objectives of your campaign. Each will be discussed in more detail here. Instagram. There are around 130 million people in the United States that use Instagram, and more than 50% of them are millennials. According to predictions made by researchers, the total number of Instagram users will increase to 136 million by the year 2025. Pros: access to the vast majority of advertising formats. Features that make targeting a certain demographic easy to use. An environment that is extremely supportive of creative endeavors. Analytics for advanced advertisements. In-story sticker links that can be clicked on, formerly known as swipe-ups. Cons: paid advertisements can be pricey for enterprises of modest size. To get the best results, you might require the assistance of a Facebook Ads Manager professional. YouTube. The world's most popular search engine, Google is the company behind YouTube Ads, which provides businesses with access to extensive buyer data and analytics. You do not have as many possibilities for the design of your advertisement as you have with Facebook and Instagram because you are advertising on a platform that is only video. However, when one considers the sheer number of people who use YouTube regularly, the limited number of ad design alternatives is hardly a disadvantage. Pros: you have access to the following sorts of advertisements: interactive video overlay including voting, access to more advanced features of the Google Ads workspace, including targeting and analytics. Cons: the possibility of a massive reach, easily skippable adverts. There is no option for static content, and you cannot choose which videos of your advertisements Facebook plays. With a projected 302.2 million members in the year 2021, Facebook is by far the most popular social media outlet in the United States. However, as the elder statesman of social media, the platform has lost part of its attraction over the past 10 years. Pros: access to the vast majority of advertising formats. The social media platform that has the most users. Beginning a Facebook page for your business is completely free of charge. It is simple for brand ambassadors to tag your company in social media posts. Cons: the percentage of marketers who make use of Facebook is continuing on its downward trend. Plenty of unwanted messages and phony accounts. Advertisements on Facebook can come at a high cost. The algorithm hurts brands. Twitter is undoubtedly the most well-known site for initiating dialogues throughout the internet, whether for better or for worse. In addition to that, it features a campaign designer tool that enables users to zero in on specific audiences and constructs advertisements utilizing a variety of content types and calls to action, CTAs. Pros: you have access to the following sorts of advertisements: video, image, interactive, polling, features that make targeting a certain demographic easy to use. Effective advertising analytics. Twitter is the best medium for the performance of text-focused advertisements. Cons: constraints on character. The interface is not the most user-friendly one. Unreliable tracking of conversions. TikTok may be the newest participant on the list, but it is also the one that is expanding at the fastest rate since it has more than 1 billion active users all over the world. TikTok also offers businesses that use it the ability to sign up for an ads management account and enjoy features that are comparable to those found in Facebook Ads Management. Pros: You have access to the following sorts of advertisements: video collection, interactive/polling, availability to a more youthful audience. The popularity of videos in short formats is growing. User-friendly management dashboard. Cons. Perfect for clients that are younger than 30. One of the most expensive methods of advertising platforms. Fewer options available for the content's format. Strategies for maximizing the benefits of social media for your company. Publish content on the appropriate social media networks. Many companies incorrectly believe that to have an effective social media strategy, they need to be present on every platform. However, in practice, companies need simply be present in the areas in which their target audiences reside. Each platform comes with its own set of tools and capabilities, but you may not find that all of them meet your requirements. First, it's important to determine which platforms are a good fit for your company. After that, you'll be able to concentrate your time and energy on the channels that will generate the maximum return on investment for your program. Ensure that the material is optimized for each platform. Following the selection of the appropriate platforms, the next step is to choose the material that is most appropriate for each. The most useful material for attaining social goals is photo and video content, yet marketers still need to strategize where, how, and when to share these types of media. Even while posting on every channel isn't mandatory, the vast majority of successful brands are active on more than one. They may share video clips on Facebook and YouTube to highlight the experiences of their customers and employees. Instagram, on the other hand, might be utilized to record jaw-dropping still photographs, in addition to sharing information and updates regarding the business. Be consistent. When it comes to the content marketing of social media, consistency is essential. Make a posting plan that takes into consideration the sorts of content and the frequency of posting that audiences are most likely to engage with. This calendar should indicate when posts should be made. It is possible to automate posting by your content calendar with the help of software such as Hootsuite and Social Pilot. This will save you from the responsibility of manually uploading each post. Keep in mind that maintaining consistency requires more than just producing frequent posts. You should also maintain coherence across all of your social networks about the aesthetics, tone, and messaging of your brand. Interactions. Interacting with your followers and influencers is the most effective strategy to build your social media reach naturally. Interacting with your followers in a meaningful way can be as easy as liking their posts and pages on Facebook or expressing gratitude in the comments section when they share one of your posts. When it comes to social media content marketing, it's all about building long-lasting relationships with your followers, and even the smallest of actions may go a long way towards cementing their commitment to your company. One of the ways that GoPro communicates with its audience is through sharing posts from its followers and influencers to magnify the voices of those individuals. Take a look at this stunning picture that was taken by one of their influencers and then upload it to the main Facebook account for the brand. Did you like it? Tell us what you think of the video in the comments section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more interesting videos.